They put a mannequin in the background. Oh, I'm one away. Dirt. He's playing on zombies at the moment.
Do you want to pay up?
I liked her slippers. She had like, oh, look at the cinema thing. I forgot about that. That would have been a good idea, wouldn't it? Look at her background. She's got the cinema screen with the speakers on it. That would have been awesome idea. Right, I've collected my 50. I'm rewarding currently at the moment. Let's check the submission with that one. I kind of was really lazy with it. Oops. Wasn't there a reason for being really lazy? Yeah, I think there was, you know. Hopefully nobody noticed. Hey.
Oh, I'll help you with anything.
Right, okay. Let's stand here and contemplate what I'm doing. Right, we've checked all that out. I don't know why I'm yawning so much. I'm bloody tired. Ooh, oh yeah, okay. The Harvest Celebration bundle. Yeah, he's on zombies, yeah. He went to level 36, I think earlier he said. 37.